When it comes to designing scenes within Vizrt Artist, you're not just limited to the TV output aspect ratios. So for instance, if you needed to design a specific scene for something within a stadium and or arena, or even something like a web banner, you could do that within Vizrt Artist. And to do that, you want to go into your config setting, and down here in the output format, we have our different options here for NTSC, standard definition, our 720p, our HD settings, and stuff like that. Now also we have an additional setting down here. It's called user defined. So if I know that I needed to make a specific scene, maybe a web banner, so I know that I need to make the width 500 and the height 150. I can type that in here and hit save within the config setting. Now it says changes will take effect after restarting Viz. So I'm going to hit OK, and then I'm going to shut down Viz, and I'm just going to restart it. So once we have it restarted, you can see how it affects the interface now. Here's our render window or preview window, which is now 500 by 150. Not too much we can do. I can change this and slide this up a little bit to give us some more room, but in that case, depending on your screen resolution and your screen monitor size, you're going to get a different layout here. So just be careful with that. Now from here we can just go ahead and start designing. So let's say I just want to make a quick web banner here, and who knows, we'll just use something like the fade rectangle. So I'll slide this down, and maybe we'll just fill that with the screen there, come in here and change the color. So the color changed. I can just change this blend range here. We'll take these numbers down to 0, maybe go up a little bit more, something like that. And from here it's all designing, so we can just come in and loosely say that, okay, we need a picture in here, so we can slide some sort of picture down here as well. We'll put this over to the left hand side, maybe just scale it up something. Now we may want to add some font to it, so we'll just come in here and select a font and slide this down into our window, and we just say like something like great deals as we type it in. Now we can just slide this over to wherever we need it. If we add some animation to it, we can do that. So let's reset the C position. We'll bring it out a little bit more, and then just go into our built-ins. We'll add maybe a text effects just to add some animation onto our text. So let's just use the TFX scale here. We'll come in here and just set this progress percentage. We'll set a keyframe right there. Advance it 100, set key. Now it's just a very rough preview, but what we can do now is post this. So if I come into my post, I'm just going to select which codec I want. So I'm just going to use the QuickTime codec here. I'm going to browse for where I wanted to save it, and let's just say I'm going to the desktop. We'll give it a name. We'll select the duration, and here it tells you the width and height that it's going to be rendered at. We also, over here on the very far right, we have the available codecs for this QuickTime plugin. So I'm just going to leave it as animation, and I'm just going to hit record, and now it's just going to record that banner. So if I minimize Viz and I test this banner, I can start it up right here, and here you can see it gives us this banner rendered out in the correct file size that we specified. Now once you're done, you can go back into your config. If you don't need that output format anymore, you can just come back and set it to whatever it was set before. You'll need to save it and restart Viz, and you'll be all set to go.